Hello my friend, this is Paul from Garden. Today, let's answer a common question. Is WPC fireproof? To make it clear, today we will compare 3 different materials under fire conditions. First, let me check this one. This is the aluminum alloy. You can check. It is no problem. Completely non-combustible. Usually it belongs to the Class A fire rating. Next, we check the preservative treated wood. We test this corner. This one. And you can check here. It is burned instantly. Even if it is treated for durability, it is still flammable. And next is move to the WPC. And today I bring 2 WPC balls. Check these 2. The surface, you can check, similar. But the lifespan and the fire rating, it is totally different. Why? The secret it is in the formula. Check my last video to get more details. And let's test this one. This is the ordinary WPC board. We test this corner. And you can check this corner. It is easily burned. And okay, let me check this one. This one we add with the fire retardants. Let's test it. You can check this one. And this one. This one we add the fire retardant. It is much harder to ignite. And this one, usually it can reach B1, the fire rating. And for the indoors construction, usually it requires Class A material. That means it needs non-combustible materials such as metal and stones. And for the outdoor decoration, like the deckings, fences, work landings, or municipal project, it usually the B1, it is typically considered safe and acceptable. So in conclusion, the metal equals Class A. And for the preservative treated wood, it is burns instantly. And for the WPC, depends on the formula. And when it produced with fire retardants, it can upgrade to the B1. So when you choose the WPC, always ask your supplier the fire rating and make sure it can hit your requirements.